Alright, I figured out how to take it out, and now I'm gonna put it back together. I don't know how many more of these things I'm gonna need, but this one, look at it, it's nowhere sharp anymore compared to this one. Oh, can we focus? Compared to this one right here, guys, look at that. Alright, let me try to put this back together with one hand. Got it like that. Got it like that. Whoa. You lost a piece. Here it is. Oh, look at this, guys. I dropped it. Let's do the rest of this indoors. This is too windy out here, and if I drop this little thing, it's a problem. And you know, we already have enough problems out here. Let's go inside. I need 2 hands for this one. Need 2 hands. Okay. Alright guys, we got it back. I replaced it. And let's see if we can get it back on there. Lube it up. And continue on with this mission. Let's continue. I got it set again. Let's get the WD-40 out. Create that little friction, guys. Need that extra little lube in there now. We're all lubed up. Let's see what we could do. Tighten it up. Let's cut. Let's keep cutting. See what we could do. Tightening it. Spin 5 times. Tighten. Spin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then tighten it again. Oh, I can barely tighten it. We are trying to cut this pipe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, baby. Spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Oh. Oh, God. I give up. I give up. Let me see how deep this How deep is this thing? It's barely deep. Like half a millimeter. You know, maybe. I don't know, guys. I need something sharper, or I need some new blades to cut this thing with. Or I'm gonna have to get a grinder to cut this thing. I need some more blades. This thing's not sharp enough. I'm not getting through. Alright, let's see. Let's see what other tools we're gonna have to get. I don't know. We're gonna have to go to Home Depot. Get another tool. Hopefully they have it in stock. But this is trying to do the well part 2. Oh my gosh. Got all my stuff here.